I'm Dr. Colonel Atul Bhandari. Today I'm going to speak to you about decision making. A few guidelines. First, try and ensure that you have the maximum possible information and inputs regarding the decision you're going to make. Because the more information you have, the more likely it is going to be a balanced decision. Next, please do not make a decision when you're angry. Visualize your brain has got, let us say, 500 lights on, and suddenly 450 lights switch off, and you're left with just 50 lights. That's exactly what happens to your brain when you're angry. The bulk of it just switches off. Can you imagine what will be the quality of a decision when you're thinking with just a part of your brain? So please wait for things to calm down when you're more balanced and then take a decision. Next, we try and take a decision when only everything is perfect. Perfect situations don't exist in life, and if you keep waiting for perfect conditions, you'll have to wait all your life. So at times, you have to base your decision on things when they're not very perfect. I would recommend if about 50% to 60% of the situation is okay, go ahead with the decision. Next, at times people take decisions without going into the consequences of the decision. What is going to be the effect of the decision 1 year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now? When we go into the consequences, at times we may be aghast with the decision we were about to take. So please look into the effects, the consequences of the decision you're going to take, the effects on you, the effects on others around you. Next, at times we take a decision in a hurry because there is a temptation to show that, I'm a very quick decision maker. So there are no extra marks for taking a quick decision if it is a wrong decision or a hurried decision or an incorrect decision. It is better to tide your time, wait for a while, get more information, reflect about it, as they say, sleep over the decision, consult people if required, and then take a balanced decision. It is far better to take a balanced and better decision than to take an incorrect one in a hurry. Of course, when there is an emergency, when speed is of essence, then we have to take our decision even on little information, and we have to take it very quickly. But that is a separate thing. Next, at times we have our biases about people, about situations, about things, and we allow those biases to rule our decisions. That must not happen. Next, remember, when it is not necessary to take a decision about something, at that time it is necessary that you should not decide about it. Next, I wish to tell you all that please ensure that whenever you are taking a decision, it should be when you are balanced, when you have taken all the inputs, when you have in a calm frame of mind, you've discussed it with people, you've thought of the consequences, because remember, the quality of our decisions is equal to the quality of our life. Thank you.